Hey, what is going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. I know I am. In this video, let's talk about the value of your 1911 Lincoln Wheat Cent. Now, firstly, three distinct wheat pennies were minted in 1911, each valued at a separate value. Philadelphia Mint, Denver, and San Francisco all produced these coins. Mint marks are used to identify these coins, as you may or may not know. Both the 1911D and 1911S wheat cents are semi-key dates to the series, so they're a little bit more important than the Philadelphia Mint version of this coin. Both of these early era coins are sought by collectors in pretty much any grade, but most people are going to want them in a grade of good or higher. Now, the S Mint mark is the most valuable of these coins, as the San Francisco Mint pumped out a lot less than the other two mints for this coin. The S Mint mark Lincoln penny from 1911 is a semi-key date, as it is the sixth lowest mintage of wheats in the entire series, with only 4 million of them struck at the San Francisco Mint. This is a scarce and desirable penny, so it does command a little bit more of a value. So to the big question, what is your 1911 penny worth? A Philadelphia no mint mark 1911 wheat cent generally sells for around 50 cents in good grade, but can sell as high as $5 to $10 in extremely high grade. A 1911D has a pretty strong beginning value even in poor condition at around $3 to $4 for a good condition coin, but almost $50 for an extremely fine coin. Now, the 1911S is by far the most valuable of these wheat cent varieties, and it starts off around $15 in even lower grade condition, but then jumps pretty high up to around $60 to $70 in a high circulated condition and almost $120 in uncirculated condition, making it the most valuable of the three. Of course, always keep in mind the condition of the coin, as it plays a lot into the valuation of the coin, as you know. This has to do with any collectible across the gamut of collecting really anything, and it definitely applies to these coins. But in short, a 1911S wheat cent will garner much more value for you, even in comparison to higher grade versions, the other varieties of this same coin. Let me know what you think about 1911 pennies in the comments below, and keep an eye out for more coin value videos coming on my channel very soon, as I put out videos every day.